A warm welcome to our new mini webinar series. In this series, we would like to introduce you to our new MELAG digital tools. My name is Sylvan Meyer, and in this video, I will show you our new product configurator. To access the product configurator, you only need to go on our website, choose English as your main language, and then by clicking on the login button, enter your personal login details. Once you've entered all your details, you will be led to this site, the MELAG product configurator. In this video, we will use a question of a model clinic, a question that might also occur to you in the field. The question is, can you configure a MELAG according to my requirements? This might be a very tricky question, and sometimes distributors are not sure which accessories are appropriate for the MELAG. In this aspect, the product configurator will help you. So we are on the MELAG product configurator, and now we have the option to either configure a whole package with different products or to go with an individual product configurator. In our case, we will use the MELAG configuration. So we click on Configurate, MELAG, and we will be led on this side. Here you have the option to select the different products. Depending on the power supply, you have the option to use MELAG 10 DTA or DTB. And here we use, for our example, MELAG 10 DTB. Now what we want is to add all the different accessories. So on the filter on the top, you have the option to select MELAG accessories. By clicking on that, we will be led to this site. Here you see all the different MELAG accessories. And here we keep it a little bit simple, so we only choose 3 different accessories to keep it short and to keep it visible for you. So we'll start with a basis basket, here without injector rail, and then we will select an instrument basket and also 4 times the flask basket too. Once you have selected all the different accessories, you see on the top product list and the number of the different products you have on your list. Once you're finished, you click See List, and then we will be led to the product overview. Here is the selection you have with all the different products. So we have MELAG, we have the basis basket, you have the instrument basket, and also the flex basket 4 times. In addition to the product overview, you will see the different prices. So you see the individual prices and also the total price for our package. In addition to the prices, you might also select different conditions. So you might add a discount in your local currency, or also a discount in percentage. Once you have entered all the different discounts you may want to offer, you will see a total price for this offer that you can show directly to your client. So the product configurator helps you to select the correct accessories and also gives you a very nice and clean overview of the products and the different prices. Thank you very much for your attention. It has been a pleasure to introduce you to our new MELAG product configurator, and I hope to see you in our next video where we will discuss the MELAG videos and our new tutorial. See you again on this channel. Thank you very much.